So, you're interested in getting solar. Very good call. Solar is good for the environment and it will save you a lot of money. But maybe you are thinking that I don't need another loan. Sure, but you already have one. It's called your electric bill, and every year the payment for your electricity is getting higher and you are going to pay it forever. Here is a quick calculation. If your electric bill averages $300 a month throughout the year, in 20 years, with increases, you would pay a $100,000. Few years ago, you didn't notice your electric bill payment. Now it's more than your car payment. In a few years, it will be second to your mortgage. Maybe it's complicated and you don't like change. Actually, it's kinda simple. A lot of your neighbors did it, and we will walk you through it. Also, your electric bill is going to go up so much that sooner or later everyone will have to get solar. To start, it's very simple. Go to www.daystarsolarainc.com and upload your bill on the site, or email it to okasri@daystarsolarainc.com, or you can even text it to 800-750-4941. We will send you a proposal to your email. No salesman, no hassle.